Hey guys, it's your girl, I am stupid 09 here, and yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be doing something special. I'm gonna show you how to properly use a bunk bed, because that's the kind of original content I can make now. That's just the extent. Yeah. Let me show you step by step how to use a bunk bed. Okay, so we're just renting this vacation house, and I open this fucking cupboard, and what do I see? Empty things of pudding? This is littering, which is against the law. I'm gonna have to find somebody, and that somebody is gonna have to fucking show their face because I'm very, very upset. Alright, I totally forgot about what this video is supposed to be about. What's wrong with me? Okay, welcome to bunk beds. They're very innovative, and usually they're very uncomfortable, just like these ones. They're extremely uncomfortable. I don't recommend buying these types of bunk beds, please. Okay, so I am a bottom bunk person, but I still know how to get to the top bunk just in case of flooding. So let me show you guys. I made it, and I didn't hit my head on the ceiling. Ow! Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how to get down. Is it bad to say that I'm scared right now? Is it bad to say that I'm a pussy-ass bitch? I'm taller than the bed itself. I was scared even though I'm actually taller than the actual bed. If you're a bottom bunk person like me, you have a much easier time of getting around. But then again, if you're a bottom bunk person like me and you're also 5'10", you have a harder time getting around. Let's get on to showing you guys how to use the bottom bunk.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
You know, it is kind of hard if you're tall like me, because then you might hit your head, but you know what? It saves you from having to be scared of that. Because if you're a pussy-ass bitch like me, you just want to live the easy life. Hey, hi guys. Oh, wait. I got new shoes today. They're so cool. Look. So, how to use a bottom bunk. Now, it's a little bit harder than the top bunk, but we're just going to try our best. First, put your butt on the actual bed, and then you lower your head so you don't hit this, and then you lie down. Go on the covers. You know, it'll be all nice and warm. And then just chill out right here, living your best life. The only thing that's scary though, if you're a pussy-ass bitch like me, is if someone's lying up here and these little things, you know, do the creaky thing, right? And then you think it's gonna fall down on you with the person along with it, and you're just gonna get crushed to death. Just happy little thoughts while you're falling asleep, you know what I mean? Just the happiest little... Okay. Now to get out of this bed, it's very hard, especially when you're as comfortable as me. So first, you take off the covers, right? The covers are like fucking phone. Sit up, and you try not to hit your head on the ceiling. You move your head out, get off the bed, and there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you learned how to climb a bunk bed, use a bunk bed. Oh, did I tell you guys that I'm spending my time on vacation filming a YouTube video on how to climb a bunk bed? Yes, I am. Did I say I hate myself yet?
Fou est tellement évident que je trouve plus de sens à ce jeu excitant. Si